Why make yet another traditional burger? This black and blue burger is layered with powerful flavors that totally elevate your grill game. This is a burger that'll make you famous. I say that with the utmost respect to all the traditional burgers, of course, but this burger explodes with perfectly potent flavors like red onion and blue cheese that will leave your taste buds happy and inspired. So I'm just gonna get to my thick slices of red onion. I'm gonna get those cut and ready for the grill, and then straight into forming my burgers. Breaking my 1 pound of ground beef into burgers. Paying attention to leave a slight rim on these, so when they hit the grill, they don't form an instant ball. Using certified Angus beef ground beef because it instantly takes it to the next level. Because if it's not certified, it's not the best. And with all of this gorgeous marbling comes aggressive flavor and juiciness. Seasoning with salt and pepper and my homemade blackening seasoning. This stuff is powerful and so nice to have on hand for any of your blackening needs. I'm pretty heavy-handed with it, as this is the black part of our black and blue burger. When all of these spices sear onto the grill, the caramelization turns pretty dark, and that's exactly what should happen. Making sure that every crevice is coated in seasoning, these beauts are ready for the griddle. My preheated cast iron griddle is smoking hot and ready to go. I use just a touch of oil to help with the sticking, and I load it up. Burgers firmly pressed down, onions right next to it. As the onions cook, it's okay to let those get a little bit caramelized. That's a lovely addition to this burger. After about 4 to 5 minutes, it's time to flip. Don't grab the tongs here for your burgers. You need a good spatula to get underneath those to help keep that crust intact. That sear looks incredible and it smells even better. Making sure to temp my burgers as I go and pull the onions just before they're translucent, and always toast your buns. While the burgers are still on the griddle, I go ahead and top them with a heaping spoonful of really good blue cheese crumbles. The blue cheese gets nice and soft as it sort of melts just slightly over those burgers, and who doesn't want that? The toasted buns are all dressed up and ready for the main event with some grainy mustard, leafy greens, and a little sliced tomato. Next goes the deliciously blackened burger and our griddled onions. My mouth is watering. Wow, look at that. This is a burger worth remembering. Wow.